Hi, I'm in our backyard picking fresh oregano or kalabo. This herb is very popular not only as a spice but also for its health benefits. Many of us grow up drinking oregano tea when we had cough or fever, and honestly, we didn't always like the taste. But today, I'll show you how to turn this simple herb into a fresh, fizzy soda. You might even forget it's the same herbal tea your mom used to give you. Let's wash the leaves and get started. I'm adding the fresh oregano leaves in about 1.5 liters of boiling water. This step will extract the flavor and natural compounds. I also like to add little ginger. It's optional, but it gives a fresh taste and a nice kick. If you have lemon or even just the peels, you can add them too. It really depends on your preference. Let this boil for about 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and allow it to cool down completely before the next step. Now that the heat is off, I'm going to strain the liquid into my pitcher. It's just more convenient this way. Make sure it's not too hot anymore because we don't want to kill the good bacteria. We need them alive so they can ferment and create that natural fizz. Next, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if you want it sweeter, but don't worry, the bacteria will use most of the sugar as their food. By the time you drink this, it won't be as sweet, but it will be nicely fizzy and balanced. I'm just stirring the sugar until it fully dissolves. Now it's time to add the ginger bug. So, what is a ginger bug? It's our starter culture. This is the reason we can make different kinds of natural sodas at home. It's simply ginger, water, and sugar, fermented and fed regularly to keep the good bacteria and wild yeast active. I used to feed mine every day, but now I just feed it once a week to maintain it. I already have a previous video on how to make a ginger bug, and I might make an updated one soon. For this batch, I'm adding about 5 spoonfuls. You can add 3 if you like, they multiply anyway. Now it's bottling time. I'm using this airtight flip-top bottle, but you can also use a plastic soft drink bottle if you don't plan to store it for a long time. I'll let this ferment for about 24 hours. Make sure to burp your bottle, especially when the weather is hot. This is very important, particularly if you're using glass like mine, so the pressure won't build up too much and cause accidents. I'm also adding just a drop of honey for extra flavor. Honey is sweet, so the microbes will love it, and it helps boost the carbonation. Oh, that's super crispy and fizzy. And for those wondering why the bottle isn't full, it's because I already drank a glass before I remembered to document it. But as you can see, it still popped perfectly. That just shows how alive and active this soda is. It tastes so good, very refreshing, and really quenches your thirst. You can feel those tiny bubbles popping in your mouth. At the same time, it's also food for your gut. The benefits of this drink are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to Pinoy Fermenter, where we turn simple plants into powerful food.